स्ट्रीट स्पीक के सारे नए एपिसोड देखने के लिए YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन का घंटा भी बजाइए।
In my biopic, if ever it's made, you'll play that stereotypical Bollywood biggie who is like, very snooty and completely intolerant to outsiders and,
Intolerant is
a flag bearer of nepotism, the movie mafia.
You think you became an actor because of your talent? Yeah, I think you launched me because of my talent, right? You gave me a break. I think it was because of your papa. But Saifu, you're also here because of your mama. And मैं इस industry में हूँ because of my papa. What does that mean? Nepotism rocks. Nepotism rocks. Nepotism rocks.
And unfortunately, in an industry which is still filled with nepotism, whatever you might say, let's sound politically correct and say, oh, we are getting new scripts, but who are we taking? Look at the old generation, look at the new generation. I mean, they're all film kids. So who's going to give an opportunity to an outsider?
Nepotism. Nepotism, first of all, it's there everywhere. What we should do, we should really be prepared with skill and the craft,
शुरू में वाकई थोड़ा होता है, लेकिन ये है कि टैलेंट को कोई रोक नहीं सकता, एक्चुअली कोई नहीं रोक सकता। थोड़ा वक्त लगता है और वो किसी भी फील्ड में लगता है, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली फिर वही लोग आपको फिर एक्सेप्ट भी करते हैं।
My first question to you is, what do you think about nepotism?
Everybody is allowed to enter in Bollywood, whoever they are, irrespective of state, culture, anything.
Yeah, everybody should get the chance, and it depends on your quality and your how much you are capable to doing the thing. All these things should be you should measure all these things. No nepotism.
It's absolutely bad for the industry right now because there is the fact is that nepotism do exist in our industries, and that is reflecting on the movies what we are doing right now. The very good example of nepotism for today, I think, is Arjun Kapoor. He doesn't have the talent, he doesn't have the looks, but still somehow he's managing the industry, surviving the industry.
Nepotism is not that cool because the other stars who have come on according to their talent, right? They are not given that respect.
Nepotism should not exist even. I believe that nepotism should not be there in any place.
Yeah, but unnecessary. Some actors and actresses who are whose family belongs to the industry and or who are industry's people, and yet they are, they are their daughter and son, and they are also good actors. They are also unnecessarily, taken in this nepotism. Yeah.
Like
so
Hrithik Roshan,
exactly, Hrithik Roshan is very good. Even Alia Bhatt is very good. I've seen her Highway. She's very good in that.
I think nepotism is good because they have their genes in that place.
It's easier for them.
Yeah. Right.
It's not that easy for us because honestly speaking, even I had gone for an audition or something, and at that time the first question they asked was, do you know someone known to the or are you from an academy or something?
Hypothetical question: if you get a big amount of job,
right,
lakhs and crores, if you get from your relative, won't you accept it?
Why not?
Yeah, why?
Why not?
Of course I do.
Why should I leave it?
So this is nepotism, no?
Yeah.
If I know that I'm good at it, if I know I'm passionate about it, and I have to get into this industry, if I have to step into it, then yes.
Little bit or little bit not, because one side is a self-respect, second my future.
Right, absolutely.
I think I should be able to handle the responsibility which comes with that 1 lakh rupees.
Right.
I should know my capacity, whether I'm worth 1 lakh rupees job or not.
Yeah.
Unnecessarily taking it and then putting my relative's name down, that won't work for me, I guess.
But there has to be quality, I believe. Without my quality, I don't think so anyone should give me 1 crore. Because I should not deserve that. For that, I have to gain that.
To be able to prove myself as an actor. If
right,
if so many people are trusting, if so much money is put on me on this, I should be able to handle that.
Right.
If I'm not able to do it, I should just walk away.
Exactly.
We all are against reservation. There should be no reservation, and there should be equality and all.
Reservation and nepotism, that is something. It doesn't promote talent, basically. So the final baseline over here is that we should stop all these things and make sure that talent and hard work goes all the way to the top.
But then what is reservation? Reserving the seat, right? But then nepotism is also the same, right? Reserving the seat for your familiar person. But हम लोग reservation पे बहुत बवाल मचाते हैं, but nepotism पे नहीं. Just because nepotism में elite people are there, powerful people.
डरते हैं लोगों ने बोलने से.
हाँ, obviously डरते हैं बोल सामने से जाके किसी. Yeah, I believe both are same.
Right.
Yeah. And reservation should not be there. Even that, if nepotism should not exist.
In India, if you have power and money, then no one can harm you.
Right.
Yeah, होना चाहिए, but it's like reference is everything in this world.
Yeah.
So.
Especially in India.
Especially in India, right?
बात इसलिए नहीं करते हैं because like those Bollywoods पे जो होते हैं या फिर जो politics में होते हैं, there are certain kind of people who are involved there. Right. But reservation is something where like each and every person is involved. Right. Okay, that is one of the reasons.
The reasons for reservations were a bit different when the reservation started. With nepotism, I don't think so there should be any reason behind the nepotism.
Right.
Okay, your will to motivate your child or motivate your son, daughter, that's a different thing, and motivate them for unnecessary things which they are not able to do, that is different thing.
So guys, आपको कैसा लगा आज का एपिसोड ऑन नेपोटिज्म? आप भी हमें बता सकती हैं आपकी राय क्या है ऑन नेपोटिज्म. ये होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, आपको इसके बारे में क्या लगता है? बताने के लिए कमेंट डाउन बिलो. हमें फॉलो अप कर सकते हैं ट्विटर और फेसबुक पे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स for behind the scene, see us on Instagram. Also, don't forget to go on my Instagram handle. और अब हमने कुछ नया स्टार्ट किया है. As मैंने आपको लास्ट एपिसोड में कहा था, हमारे प्यारे मेरे व्यूअर्स ने हमें कहा है कि they want to see us more. तो अब हम लेके आए हैं रॉ फुटेज only on हमारे Facebook पे ऑफिशियल पेज पे. So don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to like us, share us and subscribe guys. Comment down below about आपको नया क्या जानना है, आपको कुछ सुनना है, आपको किसी चीज के बारे में राय चाहिए. Please tell us. We'll be doing that next episode. Bye guys.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui has loads and loads of talent right now and is currently one of the best actors in the industry. But it took 20 years to get there.
I know.
Same is not with Arjun Kapoor. It hardly took a year to get him.
What's your problem with Arjun?
I hate Arjun Kapoor like anything. I don't want him in the industry. That's my firm take on it.